right, we're at Treasure Island Fun Center on Seminole Boulevard in Seminole. Do it, both of you guys do it. Go, do it. Bossy, do it. Let Bossy do it. Go, boss, go. Go. Go, boss, do it too. Help, Sissy. Get it. Maddie. Maddie. Hi, babe. We are at Treasure Island Fun Center with the kids, playing some games and waiting on the pizza.
I got it on video. Dots. Yay! Oh! It's okay, Mila.
Yeah, one more turn, go. All right, you got it. I think you got it. I think you got it. You got it this time. Oh!
It's okay.
How many chances do you get on this thing? Oh, that one's tough. All right, let's play something else. Come on, Myla, look, over here. Look at this.
Hold on, look.
Look for a different one. Why is it like giving us 100?
I don't know. This game is never ending.
Oh, I think that was it right there. 11-0. Come here. Look at this game. Myla, look.
Oh, operation.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you. Okay? You got look. Hold on, Bossy, watch. Okay, look right. Alright, you ready? Here we go. Oh, look. See that?
No.
Actually, I think that I could do that. You try this one. Look. You keep it up on the top like that. Okay, look. Oh, I almost got it. Bossy.
Do we get tickets?
Oh, thank you very much. Come on, Bossy, let's go.
Yeah, pizza.
Bossy, all right, bro. Just want the Bossy.
Yay! Boss pizza. You want some Parmesan cheese? All right, babe. Time to eat. Recording.
We're doing the Pac-Man game.
All right, so we got a large cheese pizza and some drinks. So we're gonna eat and then go play again.
Stopped and got some food. What's up, Bossy? Say hi. Are you eating some M&Ms? M&Ms are his favorite thing in the whole entire world. We got some pizza. I got him some juice. Mila's eating some pizza. We've almost killed the first pizza. We might get another one. Maddie's snacking. Mommy's eating.
Oh, purple.
Purple.
Hey, hey. Oh, purple.
Purple. Where? There's lots of noises and stuff.
Purple.
Yeah.
Oh, purple.
Yeah.
Oh, purple.
Purple. Lots of games in here. Yeah, man. You want to try and eat some pizza? Yeah, eat a bite. Eat a bite. Can't go wrong with pizza or M&M's. Eat some pizza. Take a bite. Take a bite. Mommy. Is it yummy? Yeah. Pizza time, pizza time. Pizza, 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 pizza. What's up? We did the number 3 combo. Just a little quick look at what they offer. Not too much, but the pizza was actually pretty good. But we got the combo 3, pizza and plate package, cheese pizza, 4 small drinks, and a $25 gameplay card.
Oh, purple. Oh, purple. Oh, purple.
Purple. But yeah, that's the little deal that we did. And as you can see, we like the pizza. Bossy, eat some pizza, bro. Oh, Eminem. Oh, Eminem, boy. Yay. That's a cool camera. What kind of camera is that, Mila? Show me. Ah, cool. Boss, get it. Throw it up there, boss. Oh!
It's over.
Just let him keep trying, though. Boss, throw it up there. Oh! 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 Throw it up there, boss. Oh! Let's try it. Oh, almost. Keep going. Try it again, boss. One more. Try it again. One more. Or 2 more. Oh! And that's that one.
Hi, beautiful.
You ready? Go. on. Here, grab that here.
Raise your gun. Yes, sir.
There we go. Yeah, Mila. Bossy, you're alright, bro. Don't get him. Yeah. In the circle. Come on, Mila, you gotta help. In the circle.
Hi, boss.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, stay in there. Oh, you got one. Got him. Good job, sis. Bossy, what's up, bro? What up?
There's only 50 balls, babe.
Oh, look at the ball total.
Yeah. Like 48.
Look at
Oh my god, that's so close.
it. You're at 90.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that one.
So there's 50 balls total. Stop.
Good job. You got 2,000. Cool. Woo, bless you. Woo!
Here begins the switch.
Look at what you're throwing it at.
Oh, right in the chest. Give
Look
it
at what
to
you're throwing it at. Throw it at where you're looking at.
Get the red ones. They're worth double points. Get the red ones. Hit the red ones. Yeah. Ooh. Let Bossy throw.
Here, boss. Here, let me set back up. Alright. Here, now you do the ball. Alright, bossy, get ready.
Here he goes with the whistle blows.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah, good job. Bossy, throw one. Maddie's like, whoa. Wow.
Magic! Hurry up. It's magic pet time.
Yeah, boss.
Awesome.
Good job, guys.
Family.
Come here, do this one. Got it.
Yeah.
Alright, we just got back from the Treasure Island Fun Center, and that was a blast. We played some games, we ate some pizza, kids won some little toys and stuff like that. It was really fun. We basically had the whole place to ourselves. I guess it's not very busy on Sunday night,
Yeah.
so that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
We stopped and got some chips. So I don't know if you guys have heard of any of these, but they're called Wrap Snacks. And people may think that these are a joke. These are actually pretty good. That's the Cardi B one.
Yeah.
The Cardi B one is cheddar barbecue, and they're actually really, really good. And then you have these ones right here. Migos sour cream and sour cream with a
dab of ranch.
ranch. And those are really good.
I'm
And then
eating
these
it.
ones right here, these are hot, boy. These are the Little Boozies
Oh, yeah.
Louisiana Heat.
I want to try them.
Those things are super hot.
Mm-hmm.
Hot.
Hot.
And then these are some of my favorite. The Amigos barbecuing with my honey with a dab of ranch. Those are my favorite.
Are these the ones? These are the ones I think that taste like. These, the cheddar barbecue, taste like
The Cardi B's.
the barbecue one with my honey, but with cheese. They're good.
The Cardi B ones taste like barbecue Cheez-Its. That's all I can think of when I eat them is barbecue Cheez-Its for some reason. But yeah, a lot of people think that those are a joke, but those things are really good. You can't find them at just a couple of places. They're at Handy Corner right in our neighborhood in Largo.
Can we try these?
Yeah, open them up.
The sour, wait. I think I've tried these. Sour cream with a dab of ranch.
But yeah, we did the Treasure Island Fun Center. We got some snacks. I went and did foot golf today with Dave. That was fun. I played pretty good. And we still have to vlog the yard sale stuff that we got.
The yard sale haul.
Yep. So we'll be doing that pretty soon too.
One thing that I thought was really cool, tonight we won with our tickets a autograph book for Disney.
Yeah,
We've been
Treasure
wanting
Island
to
Fun
get one of
Center.
those.
Ooh, those are good.
Mm-hmm.
Treasure Island Fun Center had a lot of cool prizes that you could win.
Like a huge variety of things.
They had Loungefly backpacks and purses,
Mm-hmm.
which I thought was really weird
For,
because
like-
we're a Disney family and that's not what I expected to see at Treasure Island Fun Center. But
For like 3,000 points. And we
were there
got-
for like an hour and a half and we got 1,000.
yeah.
So, I mean, if you were doing like a birthday party or something,
You could get some cool prizes.
yeah. I mean, and you were there for like 3 hours and you know what I mean? And you played a bunch of games. Fumble. Where you played a bunch of games where you
That's
could
the
win a
one that
bunch of
fell out of
tickets.
my mouth.
But it was really fun. I was very I almost died just then.
That chip.
That was not a good trip. But I was pleasantly surprised. I didn't go there with like high expectations for this place to be the best place in the world. But it wasn't bad, and it was cool that it was Sunday night and not a lot of people were there. I mean, when we got there was maybe like 8 people there or something like that. And
But it
then-
like slowly.
yeah, that slowly got like really empty, and it was just us.
Yeah.
And we were like the last people to walk out the door. And we got some pizza. The pizza wasn't bad. Pizza was pretty good. But
Yo. These ones are my favorite.
sour cream with a dab of ranch. Those are the Migos ones.
Those ones. And these ones.
From the Cardi B.
The cheddar barbecue.
Yeah, those things are pretty good. Like I
They're
said,
so good.
don't take them for a joke, man. Everybody thinks it's a joke just because they're rappers, but
They're super inexpensive. What is it?
$1.49.
This one's $1.29. Oh no.
Yeah,
$1.49.
$1.49.
Still.
And there's a couple other ones as well. I know Lil Romeo has some chips. I know that Fetty Wap has some chips. A couple other ones too. But I know there's like some cheese curls, like some cheese doodle ones, which are actually pretty good. I thought
There's
that's
some
Trina.
popcorn.
Trina.
Yeah.
Trina, and then there's sour cream and sour cream with a dab of ranch popcorn,
Popcorn.
which is the same one as that, but just
Yeah.
popcorn flavor.
Mm-hmm.
But Trina has the like cheese doodle ones and a couple other ones. They're all pretty good.
Yep.
Yeah, we just wanted to. I'm gonna tell you. I mean, we really, just went to Treasure Island Fun Center just for fun.
Yeah.
We wanted to have fun, and Treasure Island Fun Center had the word in it, so we checked it out, and it's true.
Yeah.
Everything they said about it was true. It was fun.
It was actually really fun. I'm glad we
It
decided
was.
to go.
It was a
because-
center of fun.
Yeah. And we'll have to go again soon. I want to go again soon.
Yeah, it was super inexpensive too. I mean,
Yeah.
honestly, we always like go overboard with anything we do. I can't go into a gas station without spending like $40. I don't know why. She needs to go and she budgets money. I don't.
Yeah, I'm better. It's bad for me when I'm like, if I've had a drink or two when I go into a gas station, then I'm like, I want all the snacks and
I'm driving if she's had a drink or two.
yeah. But
But no, it was really inexpensive. I think for like $32, you got like a large pizza, 4 drinks, and a $25 game card, which lasted us like, I don't know, like an hour, 45 minutes to an hour.
Yeah.
with all of us.
If you're watching this, you've probably seen it already earlier in the vlog.
What?
The prices.
Oh yeah, true. But yeah, it was combo number 3.
Combo number 3. Oh my goodness.
But yeah, everybody had fun. The kids had fun. They got to go crazy in there. It's loud, and Bossy can be super loud in there. Will you stop eating?
Yeah, they're good.
Are you done?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, a place like that is super fun because all the kids can be loud and rambunctious, and nobody cares. Yeah, it was super crazy in there. It was fun.
And we were even there like 15 minutes after they closed, picking out like the prizes and stuff that we wanted.
Yeah.
And they were cool about that too. They weren't like, we're closed, get out, you know.
They didn't like rush us out or anything.
Yeah.
And so Maisie and I are always looking for new shows to watch. What shows do you guys watch? We've been watching The Hunters, which is really good. We
Yeah, it's
both
really good.
love World War II,
Yeah.
Nazi,
Holocaust-y
stuff. That it's something that we both are very interested in, and that's right up our alley right there. What's his name? Jordan Peele, I think, does the show for Amazon Prime, The Hunters, and it's starring Al Pacino, and it's really, really good. And we're about to start The Man in the High Tower, I think that's what it's called. So that's about if America lost World War II. Whoa. So I'm ready to watch that. Super excited about that. We're about to watch it right now.
Trying to get him to watch Gossip Girl. Because
Gossip
I've
Girl.
watched it 2 times. I've watched it 2 times already, and I kind of want to watch it again.
I'm sure it's good. I'm sure
Yeah.
it's good.
It's good.
Said I did the same thing about
Pretty Little Liars.
Pretty Little Liars.
Yeah.
And I ended up loving the show.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm ready for that again.
Gossip Girl isn't really like Pretty Little Liars, though. It's the same, but it's different in a way, I would say.
I may check it out. But we like the show You.
Yeah, and I just heard that The Haunting of Hill House finished filming, so it
That
should
was,
be out soon, the second one.
That was pretty good too. I'm excited about that.
Mm-hmm.
We love Stranger Things. We love Riverdale.
Oh my gosh. First of
Riverdale
all,
has been so good. We're about to
They're
figure
so
out if
bad.
Jughead died or not.
yeah, but there's
Supposedly he died last episode, and we're about to figure out if that's real or not. He has a twin in real life.
they're so bad though at not telling you when the next episode is.
Yeah,
Like,
they're like, oh, I can't wait till next Wednesday. And then right before next Wednesday, they're like, oh, it's not this Wednesday, it's next Wednesday.
yeah, something like that. It's
Stop it,
always something
Riverdale.
like that, I swear.
Madeline Petch just broke up with her boyfriend.
Yeah. And you're married, so stop.
That's not what I meant.
Yeah, okay.
That's not what I meant. What I meant is that
Oh,
they put some more.
I heard Cole and Lily are on the rocks.
I don't know who Cole and Lily is.
Okay. Jughead and Betty.
Oh. Thought that person's name was Cole and Lily.
Cole and Lily.
I don't know a Cole and Lily. I don't want a large farm.
Colin.
Yeah. I don't want a
That would
large
be a
farm.
terrible name.
I want a liter of cola.
What?
So in
Oh my
Super Troopers, he's like,
Oh.
get a large farva. He's like, I don't want a large farva. Colin Lily.
No, that's not a name. That's 2 names.
Look how beautiful she is. Isn't she lovely?
No.
Alright. Holla. I forgot to say, make sure you like and subscribe to us.
Yep.
Cue Mila's video right now.